Alright, so this is my Panasonic Jet-Flo MC-5155. This one was made in, and don't let the looks fool you, but this one was made in the United States in the early 90s. They really got the look of the original Jet-Flo uprights really well. I picked this up for $5. It had no belt, so I had to wait I waited a year until I got the right belt. So now I have it. Only problem with it at the moment is that I lost the base plate. So let's fire it up and see how she runs. That was the brush roll. And one thing that, in case you didn't notice, I'm going to show you again. I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm not going to touch it. Check this out. Careful! So this has, I think, a 7 amp motor, 5.7 amp motor, and it basically self-propels itself, but it isn't even advertised as a self-propelled motor. So that's pretty cool. So there you have it.